Alright, so in this game, somebody played the Englund Gambit against me. I didn't really know what to do, but eventually I punished his position and got a very good position, and just the harmony was very great. So if you ever face this, don't do what I did, but it's an interesting game to watch. Alright, game 45, let's play my usual d4, and we're facing the Englund Gambit. Usually what I do is take, and I don't take the second time. So if they play here, or try to do this, I get the knight out. They go here, usually, and I just push e4 and get my bishop out and things like that. So let's see. Yeah, I don't see a problem with e4. Excuse me. I don't see a problem with e4, and I want to get my bishop out, so I mean, maybe I can go here just to solidify this pawn. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And he takes back, I'm going to take. And then I'm thinking to play f4, but queen here is not good, so I might just castle. Yeah, I think what I'm going to do is castle. I have to watch this pawn if I develop my bishop. But, okay, he threatens checkmate. I think this is an opportunity now to push here. And then the queen has to go somewhere, and I have a pretty good center. I'm probably going to push e5. He goes for a check. I don't think this is too much of a problem. And yeah, I think these are going to be simple moves. Alright, so if I push... I mean, is there even a point in pushing? That's the problem. I mean, I do get some space. I give him a hole here. Yeah, let's do it. It does open this as well, so maybe I can get the queen in. Maybe, I'll see, but I do like that. Right, what to do now? I'm almost tempted to even go here and try get, something going on this side. Or just kick the queen out, see where the queen goes. Because, frankly, the queen doesn't have many squares to go to. And I can go here and push him aside. And I like that plan, actually. Let's go here. And, yeah, the queen actually can't move to a lot of squares. Yeah, so I think I'm going to chase the bishop. And he goes here, I'm going to go here, I think. Or maybe not, I'm just going to go bishop here, and I have these beautiful double bishops pointing at his king. And I'm assuming he's going to castle on that side. I'm playing a 1777. Alright, so here, if I go here, I think he's forced to push. There's also this move, which really constricts the queen again more. Because if I go here, I can go here, and it's almost actually. Well, if I go here, you can go here. Okay, let's do bishop here first. And maybe then we can push, go here and push. Because last move, if I pushed, he can just go here and my rook's attacked and I can't push to trap the bishop. So we put the queen here, or bishop here first. That's threatening to push. So I think he needs to play here or here. Yeah, so he pushes in the center. Now, I think I can just kind of get away with this and get some space. Because I can play here. Where does he move? Yeah, there's not much. Sort of in-between move. And I can actually push this pawn too. Almost trapping his bishop. The bishop is really bad. Both of his bishops are really bad. Now, before rushing to this move, let's just check if we have any better moves. I don't think so. So let's go ahead and attack the queen. Okay, that's good. And now, funnily enough, I can push this pawn, attacking this pawn, but I will open up this diagonal for... Well, I mean, that diagonal can't be abused, so I think I should go for that, right? If he takes here, for example, I can take, he goes here. I don't actually know if that's good. I don't know if that's good. I'm seeing this hold, so maybe I can do here, here, and here. So, yeah, I do like the look of that instead. I don't really want to change things too much. I want to squeeze him slowly, per se. Alright, so obviously I have to play this. Takes, takes. Takes, takes. I haven't played in a while, actually, but... I'm actually playing classical games. I've joined a team in my local club, and we're playing against other clubs. And I had my first game. I'm a 1500 ICU rating, which is an Irish rating. But it's a bit old, so I would say I'm maybe 1700. Who knows? But I'm gonna upload these games. I'm learning a lot. Like you're playing an hour per side, and what I found is I actually overthink a lot. It's like move 3 and I know the theory, and then it's like you overthink every move. Alright, so he pushes in the center, which is, I think, the right thing to do, but if he takes, that's grand. If he pushes, he locks out my bishop, but then again he locks out his bishop, and if he pushes, he still gives me space to do this. And I think the next move for him could be something like this to open up the position. So, having said that, I kind of want to get my queen into the game. Maybe here. And if he tries some stuff, go here and get my rook on this file. So I think, because taking doesn't make sense to me. Alright, let's do this. And I probably want to get the rook here and just start pushing these pawns. And also, I'm kind of threatening this right now. Ish, kind of, not really. Kind of. It's a bit risky with the pin, but could be possible. And I'm rated 1762 right now. Which is okay. I'm trying to get to the 1800s. He takes, which I don't think is great. I think he should have done this because it just gives me a very powerful... Now the question is what to take with. I think I should... See, if I take with the knight, then when I go here, he can push. That's the problem. But then again, if I take with the knight, I go here, I threaten this. You know, it's a lot of stuff at once. No, this is good because it threatens this straight away, so he has to react to that, so he might have to castle. Ah, okay, so he wants to trade. That's fine with me. If I... Oh my goodness. Okay, I could just take because that's pinned. Okay. I didn't even see that. And it's unpinned. I can just take. And I'm seeing this to attack this. This is spicy. Okay, wait. I think I have to go here. I know my queen's attacked, but I can't check him right now. So I think to let my bishop free, get his king in danger. Now I could probably get one of the rooks in and try to get the queen check. Probably queen check first and then take this rook. He takes back and his king is in the middle, but I think he's going to go back. And then I should put my queen in a good position. Probably here. Yeah. So he moves there. I'm trying to look at positions. So I think, yeah, let's go here. There is the knight here though, so it might have been a little bit of a mistake. But then I have here. Yeah, I have here. No forks. Okay, this is getting a bit... I misplayed this a little bit. You can see, I think I had something way, way better. Here, here. I think takes is right, but I think I should have moved my queen straight away. Or at least moved it to a different square. Because it got a little bit complicated. And what I'm seeing is this now. That's kind of the problem. But okay, he moves. What to do? I think I see a fork happening, so let's just get the knight into a good square. Centralize my knight, and this pawn is gonna be good. I'm gonna put one of my rooks on this file, put my other rook on this file, and just start blasting. And this is totally winning, I believe. Because I was quite surprised. I mean, it would have been a different game if he pushed. At least he kind of has a passed pawn. I mean, it's blockaded. It's fine. But if he pushed, at least it you know, I don't have much activity in regards to my bishop. But once he took, well, I mean, both bishops then are active. So I don't think that was in his best interest. So, okay, he attacks me. And I'm trying to see if there's kind of forcing moves. If I go here, he goes here. Check. He goes back. Here. No, I'm not going to overcomplicate it. I'm just going to move my queen. You don't always need to go for the complicated lines. And honestly, I think now just get my rook. Put it on this file. Put it on the 7th rank, and we're good to go. We are good to go. It's very good. He pushes. I'm just going to do this. And this is coming. And I don't think there's a way to stop. Unless he wants to go here. And then I think I take, check. And that's checkmate. Okay, this makes it a bit more complicated. There's a check here, and then here. So I say check, moves here. Check, moves back. Okay, 1 second. Check. Oh, wait, that knight. No, that's not good. I mean, I could just take. This is actually... If I take... He has to take with the king. I check here. He takes the pawn. Well, he can't take my queen, so I think what I'm going to do is just go on. Oh, wait. There's a really nice move, actually, if I go here. Attack the queen. Queen has to move. If he takes the queen, if he takes my queen, then it's checkmate. So, actually, that's really nice. Right, so if he takes here, I have a check forking. Actually, if he takes here, is that checkmate? It is. Because the bishop covers everything, the rook covers this. So he can't take this. I don't know what he's gonna do. It's a really nice move. Deflection, checkmate. Everything's covered. Sort of very easy in these positions to be like, ooh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. He's gonna trade down. I'm only up a pawn. You know, if he simplifies, then I mean, it's okay for him. But now I don't actually see a way out for him. Maybe it's something like this, but then I have a check. Like, it's very difficult. It's very difficult. And he's just stuck now. Let's have a look at the game real quick. Yeah, I think the game was going really good. I really think it was. Maybe this queen move was a little bit off. I'm not sure. But, maybe it was to move the knight here first, because if he goes here, then I can go here. But by this, he actually did prevent me from going there. Okay, sorry, it's my move now. Okay, so he moves. Ah, so he wants... So if I take here, he's going to take my queen, I take that. But I can just take this. Wait, if I take... He takes my queen. This is still checkmate. If I take this, he takes the queen, that's checkmate. If I take this, he takes back with the knight, then I checkmate. Yeah, this should be fine. I can take this. Unless I blundered. So if I take here, that's mate. And now I'm kind of threatening to go here. Could I make that? Could I do that last move? Not quite. Well, actually, maybe that was the best move, because if I go here, he takes check. That's still checkmate, actually. Oh yeah, this move would have worked as well. And he takes, and that's mate. Alright, so let's have a look at the analysis. So, I think the opening was good. Okay, never mind. That was a mistake. Take. F4. Yeah, I'm +3 here. Just going at it. This is good. Push. Yeah. Here, I probably should have done this. But okay. Queen here. That was a mistake. I mean, there's some... Okay, yes. So, no, this was good. Yeah, so this move would have forced things a little bit more. But I played this, which was still good, which is still checkmate in 9. And then, yeah, I could have took that and it's game over. So what did I do? 93%. One mistake, which was here. Why was it a mistake? I don't quite know. Suppose it's just too passive, because it just comes with tempo. But there you go.